Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So finally Google's new Pixel phone is here. Today we are going to unbox Google Pixel 8, new Android flagship by Google. Phone looks just like previous generation Pixel phone, no changes in design. In the box we get this tiny user manual and the SIM ejector tool. Type-C to C charging cable. And this Type-C to Type-A OTG dongle. Satisfying peel. Now let's activate this smartphone. Phone looks so clean, let's make it little bit dirtier. Remove the gloves. Let's make it dirty. Fingerprints are all over the phone. Now we are going to clean this phone with this micro fabric cloth. Quick camera test on this new Pixel phone. I hope you guys enjoy the video. But before ending this video, guys, please note this. The money this channel makes, we are going to donate and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much.